Welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today we're here with Rick Mora, which you may recognize as Ephraim Black from the series Twilight, and he's also been in a couple of shows and movies as well. And he's going to help us with today's Navajo Word of the Day since it is Native American Heritage Month. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Native American. To say Native American in Navajo, you say Bitsi Yishtłizhii. Now we're going to have Rick say it slowly for us.
Bitsi Yishtłizhii.
Perfect, perfect. Bitsi Yishtłizhii.
Bitsi Yishtłizhii.
Perfect, perfect. So to use it in a sentence, you can say, Bitsi Yishtłizhii jilí chánah, ídlí. Bitsi Yishtłizhii jilí chánah, ídlí, which means it's a proud thing to be a Native American. And that's today's Navajo Word of the Day. And so thank you. Thank you so much for being my guest.
I'm honored. I'm honored. Thank you.
Have a nice day.